Hi, my name's Dean from Ocean ATM, and today I'm going to show you how to clear a jam on a Genmega ATM machine. The first thing you're going to need is a screwdriver, your cassette keys, and your bezel door keys. First thing you're going to do is open the bezel door and enter your password to get into the vault. After you're in the vault, there's going to be 2 screws that you're going to need to take out so you can slide the cassette out. Once you've taken the screws out, you're going to slide the cassette out by clicking the green button on the left. Then, the first place you're going to check for jams is going to be the top of the cassette. You're going to lift up the little door on the top, and you're going to check anywhere where money could come out to see if there's a jammed bill. You are manually going to make the tracks move and get the bill stuck on top out. It's going to drop right into the reject bin. Another common spot for jams is going to be behind the cassette. You're going to take the cassette out and you're going to look for any bills that might be jammed or stuck back there. Or there could be some bills stuck in the cassette itself that is causing things to jam or not send out money. After that, you're going to open up the cassette and you're going to take the money out and make sure nothing is stuck from the inside. After you have found the jammed bill, you're going to take it out and put the rest of your money back in the cassette. After you have done that, you're going to put your cassette back in, tighten all the screws, and you're all set. These are going to be the most common places to have jams in your dispenser. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Thanks.